Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we are looking at some beautiful hand embroidery designs that are perfect for beginners and experienced crafters. Hand embroidery is a lovely hobby that lets you create colorful and unique patterns with just a needle, thread and fabric. Embroidery has been enjoyed for many years in different parts of the world. Even today, it is a popular way to decorate clothes, cushion covers, table runners, handbags, baby clothes, and home decor items. Every stitch adds beauty and makes a simple piece of fabric look special. If you are new to embroidery, don't worry, you only need a few basic supplies: a piece of cotton or linen fabric, colorful embroidery floss, an embroidery hook, a needle, and a pair of small accessories, and enough to get started. There are many easy embroidery stitches that anyone can learn. The running stitch is one of the simplest and is great for making straight lines. The back stitch is perfect for outlines and writing names or words. The satin stitch fills shapes with smooth shiny thread. The lazy daisy stitch creates beautiful flowers, petals, and the French knot makes teeny flowers or flower centers look realistic. With just these basic stitches, you can create many amazing designs. Floral embroidery is one of the most popular styles. Roses, sunflowers, daisies, lavender, and colorful leaves always look elegant. You can also use bright colors for a cheerful design or soft pastel shades for a calm and classic look. Nature-inspired patterns are also very popular. Butterflies, birds, trees, vines, and tiny insects make embroidery look fresh and creative. These designs are perfect for decorating bags, dresses, and wall art. Many people also enjoy making personalized embroidery. You can stitch your name, your family's initials, meaningful quotes, or simple special details. Handmade gifts with personal embroidery are throughout and memorable for birthdays, weddings, and holidays. Embroidery is also a relaxing hobby. Many people enjoy stitching after a busy day because it helps them feel calm and focused. As each stitch comes together, you can see your artwork slowly come to life. Don't be afraid to try different color combinations. Mixing light and dark shade can make flowers and leaves look more natural. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.